Hey guys, I'm Bhumika. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a simple glam Valentine's Day makeup look using all drugstore products, and all of these products are from Amazon. They currently have a Valentine's Day sale going on. So let's quickly get started. For my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation. This is in the shade 230. And also I'll be adding all the screenshots of the products and the links in the info box below, so don't forget to check it out. I'm going for a very soft glam look. Also, this pink satin robe is from Amazon. I got it at a fabulous deal. I think this was below 500. I'll add the video here. Going in with the concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Amber. This concealer is literally my everyday go-to concealer. I absolutely love it, and it is super high coverage. You just need like one dip to cover all your problem areas. And since this is so pigmented, it never gets over. Like, I'm using it since such a long time. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder, again one of my favorite powders, and this is literally the best. You don't need any high-end powders. This is very comparable to all high-end powders, and I'm using the shade medium. And I'm not going to bake because I don't want my skin to be very dry. I like a little bit of glow, so I'm just dabbing and not like baking by applying too much powder, because that can sometimes give cracks if your skin is already dry. Using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle. You must have seen this a lot on Instagram of late, to apply the blush in upward directions wherever you applied highlighter, because this gives like a lifted look. For contouring, I'm using the Sugar Contour de Force bronzer again. This is in Caramel Captain. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade 02. Now I'm just using the browns here, the light brown, and a little bit of it mixed with the darker brown to define my crease and lower lash line, because I will primarily be going in with a gold eyeshadow. This is the star of today's look, the Swiss Beauty Liquid Gold Eyeshadow, metallic one. This is in the shade 01, Gold Goddess. Browns, little bit of the dark and more of the lighter brown, and defining the crease. Always start at the outer corners, because that can have a little bit of more depth and darker definition, and then go inwards because that needs a little lighter definition. Both circular motions and windshield wiper motions. For the outer V, I generally use circular motions, and inwards I use the windshield wiper motion. Shadow. Yeah, this is how it looks. Just finish my other eye and be right back. My eyebrows, I'm using the Wet n Wild Retractable Eyebrow Pencil in medium brown. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Always take off the excess, otherwise it will clump your lashes. lips, I'm I'm using the Lakme Absolute Lip Definer in Salmon. For the red lipstick, I'm going with the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon in Cherry Ames. It's a beautiful cherry red color. And I'll quickly change into my red outfit and be right back. This is the complete look. This is the red dress I got. This is from FabAlley. I absolutely love the knotted detailing at the center. This defines the waist, cinches the waist and gives amazing definition to the body. Absolutely love it, and again got it at a very amazing discount on Amazon. I also got a few accessories. The first is a super pretty blue sunflower neck piece. It's a very dainty neck piece. It's very Y2K and will work with a lot of different casual outfits. I was planning to actually wear it today, but I think gold works better with the whole look. And I also have a lot of gold rings. I bought a lot of rings. Let me quickly show them to you. So this is how this set comes. It's like blue, yellow and red and pink. It has hearts and stars and all. This particular set has 6 rings. Again, all yin yang Y2K inspired. This is a set of blue. All are blue. Chunky rings and Y2K kind of rings are very in right now again. This set is from Jewels Galaxy. There are a lot of chain patterns. Chain patterns are also very in right now. And of course you can like mix and match all of these. And to complete the look, of course, we need a perfume, and this is United Colors of Benetton purple one, UCB purple one, again on a very good deal on Amazon right now. I'll include the screenshot and the link below. So yep, a spritz of perfume, very fresh floral scent, and it's a perfect daytime perfume. So yes, perfect for Valentine's Day. And yeah guys, that's about it. I hope you liked my outfit and my makeup look with all complete drugstore products and the gold eyes and red lips. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and also check out the Amazon Valentine's Day sale offers. Gift something to yourself, gift something to your friends, or just send a link to your partner and ask them, I want this gift on Valentine's Day. Yes, because why not? And this is a month of love and to indulge. And let me know your thoughts on this look in the comments down below. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have a lot more videos coming, makeup looks, fashion videos, travel shots, a lot of videos in general. I am also planning to do more vlogs. If you like my vlog, if you like this haircut and the look which I showed in the previous vlog, do check it out. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.